Okay, today's video is about a little piece of gear I put on all my lever guns. And the first one is a Henry 22. And if you can see the hammer right there, it is the hammer extension right here. I think that's an absolute necessity if you have a scope on a lever gun. My second one is on a Marlin 336 I got several years ago. You can see that thing right there. These things are really easy to put on with a little set screw. Gives you a lot more space to hook up to. And that is the 3030, that Marlin. Excellent deer rifle. And my last one is actually my favorite lever gun. This is my Rossi Puma 357 38 special lever gun. You can see there the hammer extension. Even without a scope, these things are really nice. So that's the, let's see, that's the 357 versus the 3030. Now, about 4 years ago, my state started allowing 357. Well, anything bigger than a 243 cartridge to hunt deer with, and 357 fits in there nicely. So I would put the hammer extension on every lever gun I've ever had. So yeah, I think that deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.